Steel shaft vs aluminum shaft for outdoor elevators. Which is the better choice when planning an outdoor elevator? Most people first think about capacity, speed, cabin design, drive system, and price. But the elevator shaft is just as important. It affects structural safety, wind resistance, weather protection, installation, maintenance, appearance, and long-term cost. So should you choose a steel shaft or an aluminum shaft? There is no universal answer. The right choice depends on the building, environment, travel height, capacity, architectural requirements, and maintenance expectations. Unlike indoor elevators, outdoor elevators may face rain, sunlight, wind, humidity, dust, temperature changes, and even coastal salt air. The shaft must support the elevator system, resist wind and structural movement, protect equipment, allow maintenance access, and remain stable over time. That is why shaft selection should start with project conditions, not price alone. Steel shafts are commonly built with H-beams, square tubes, channel steel, or steel plates. They offer high strength, rigidity, wind resistance, and load capacity. H-beam shafts are often used for commercial buildings, public projects, high-rise exterior elevators, and heavy-duty applications. Square tube systems are more common in home elevators, panoramic lifts, accessibility projects, and building retrofits. Steel is usually preferred when the project requires greater travel height, heavier capacity, stronger wind resistance, or higher rigidity. This is especially important for commercial elevators, freight elevators, industrial projects, and high-rise outdoor elevators. Steel can also offer a lower initial material cost. However, outdoor steel needs proper corrosion protection. Rain, humidity, pollution, and coastal salt air can accelerate corrosion. Common protection methods include hot dip galvanizing, powder coating, anti-corrosion paint, drainage design, and regular inspection. Steel can perform well outdoors, but the coating and maintenance plan must match the environment. A lower purchase price does not always mean a lower life cycle cost. Aluminum shafts are usually built with engineered aluminum profiles, often combined with glass panels. Many systems are modular, making them easier to transport, handle, and install. They are widely used for outdoor home elevators, villa lifts, panoramic elevators, accessibility lifts, and glass shaft systems. The biggest advantage is corrosion resistance. Aluminum is also lightweight, which can make installation easier in residential retrofits or sites with limited access. It works well with glass and modern facades. For visible outdoor home elevators and panoramic lifts, this can be an important architectural advantage. Aluminum is not automatically better, its rigidity is different from steel. So the profile size and reinforcement must be designed for the elevator load, travel height, and wind exposure. For low-rise residential elevators, aluminum can be very practical. For taller buildings, heavy-duty systems, freight elevators, or strong wind conditions, steel may still be the better option. Aluminum may also cost more initially, although faster installation and lower corrosion related maintenance can offset part of that cost. Coastal environments make the difference clearer. Salt air and humidity increase corrosion risk. So aluminum is often attractive for beachfront villas, waterfront homes, resorts, and panoramic elevators. Steel can still be used, but it normally requires stronger anti-corrosion protection and regular inspection. For larger commercial or heavy-duty coastal projects, steel may still be selected when structural strength is the priority. For outdoor home elevators, villa lifts, panoramic lifts, and accessibility projects, aluminum is often attractive because it is lightweight, corrosion-resistant, modern-looking, and easy to combine with glass. Steel is often better when greater height, capacity, rigidity, wind resistance, or tighter budget control is required. For commercial, freight, industrial, and high-rise outdoor elevators, steel structures are usually more suitable. Retrofit projects should be evaluated individually, based on access, available space, facade conditions, structural capacity, and maintenance access. Steel generally needs more attention to coatings and corrosion inspection. Aluminum reduces rust-related maintenance, but it is not maintenance-free. Glass panels, seals, fasteners, drainage points, and structural connections still need inspection. The goal is to choose a shaft system that matches the environment and the owner's long-term expectations, so steel shaft or aluminum shaft. Choose steel when strength, rigidity, wind resistance, higher capacity, taller travel, commercial use, or heavy-duty performance are the main priorities. Choose aluminum when corrosion resistance, fast installation, modern appearance, glass integration, residential use, coastal exposure, and lower maintenance workload matter more. Both can be safe and reliable when properly engineered. The real question is not which material is better overall. It is which material is better for this specific outdoor elevator project. For more details, you can read the full article here. https ec.nelift.com Face steel, shaft vs aluminum, shaft for outdoor elevators. Fay.